Name at least 2 reasons why windstorms are destructive. Let's take a look at the wind data. Do you think that windstorms are more common or less common than tornadoes? Why? Name at least 2 reasons why windstorms are destructive. Do you think this data includes all windstorms on this day or just the major ones? Why? Describe the spatial pattern of major windstorms on this day, 22 April 2011. Name at least one aspect of the wind pattern on 22 April that is similar to the tornadoes, and one aspect that is different. How many wind events, according to this data set, occurred on this day? Are there more wind events than tornadoes on this day? Does this confirm or deny your statement above about the frequency of tornadoes versus wind? For wind, select the state field and summarize, saving your summary table in your working folder. Open your summary table. Which state saw the most wind events on this day? Alright, turning our attention to hail now, which are hailstorms, these white stones here. Let's go ahead and turn off the wind. So here's our hailstorms. Do you think that hailstorms are more common or less common than tornadoes? Why? Name at least 2 reasons why hailstorms are destructive. Describe the spatial pattern of hail on this day in April 2011. Name at least one aspect of the hail pattern that is different from the wind. Name at least one aspect of the hail pattern that is similar to wind. And what about similar or different from the tornadoes? How many hail events occurred on this day? Are there more hail events than tornadoes on this day? Does this confirm or deny your statement above about the frequency of tornadoes versus hail? For hail, select the state field and summarize, just as you did before, saving your summary table in your working folder. Which state saw the most hail events on this day? Alright, so which was most common? Tornadoes, wind, or hail on 22 April 2011. Do you think that the frequency, as we have examined here on this day, is about the same on this day as on other days?